Vote any day of the week. Let's get their election year winners in our best bets. Okay, Peter, what's your pick for this election year?
Well, unfortunately, the biggest loser of the election is going to be the value of the U.S. dollar, because the Federal Reserve is going to create a lot of inflation to try to keep this economy from sinking before November. So the best sector in the U.S. is going to be precious metals. Gold's going to go through the roof. So buy the leader, buy Newmont Mining. You can't go wrong buying gold stocks here.
All right. I went wrong buying Newmont a couple times because, I don't know, it did not perform well. I don't own it anymore. But do you like this one, Jonas?
No, Terry, that's because Wall Street's never invented a better way to destroy individual investor money than gold mines. If you go back 200 years, they all lose money.
But not the last couple years.
The last 5 years is the best time to be a gold miner in the history of the last 50 years with the price of gold, and it's barely beat the S&P in a great environment. Imagine when gold tanks.
Okay,
I don't know what you're talking about. I'm making a ton of money in gold stocks.
Jonas, what's your pick?
This is a sector that will do well leading up to the election because everyone's talking about healthcare. Healthcare select sector spider. We saw how like on fire when the market opened weak. This did not fall as much. That is because healthcare stocks do well going into a recession.
Peter,
that's the current
quickly,
fear.
do you like this, Peter?
No, you don't want to own anything that has anything to do with the U.S. economy, U.S. consumers, U.S. people, Americans borrowing money, spending money. You want to sell the stock. You want to own companies with non-dollar revenue streams.
We're almost
period.
out of time. Jonathan?
I'm short the dollar. UDN is a fund that goes up when the dollar goes down.
Okay. You now have a compadre here on the show. Wayne?
Well, I think what Jonathan's pick is a sort of a three-quarter yawn. I mean, I know he's been knocking the dollar for a while, and he's been doing very well.
He's been right.
My
Quickly,
pick is fuel cell energy, highly speculative. Be careful. It's a great move, though.
Okay. Jonas, quickly?
I just think we're too many years away from electricity being so expensive that this model makes any sense economically.
Okay, well, Wayne's taking a flyer, and he had some great picks in 07, so we will see. Thanks, everybody, for all your ideas, and thanks for joining us. Have a great weekend. All the news is straight ahead right here on the Fox News Channel. We'll see you next